Toyota has issued a fairly substantial recall for its Tacoma pickup truck, and the problem is a particularly dirty one. According to the recall filed with the NHTSA, the affected four-wheel drive vehicles are equipped with 16-inch brake systems with hoses that transfer brake fluid under hydraulic pressure to the calipers for braking. The positioning of the components, paired with 17-inch wheels, means that mud and dirt can build up on the interior of the wheels and possibly come into contact with the brake hoses. Over time, Toyota warns, this may damage and wear through the brake hoses, causing brake fluid leak, which could lead to a reduction in brake performance, an increase in brake stopping distance, and an increased risk of a crash. After Toyota began receiving reports of vehicles with rear brake hose leaks, it began its review of the manufacturing practices and design. It narrowed down the issue to Toyota Tacoma trucks with 16-inch brakes and 17-inch wheels. The recall impacts more than 106,000 vehicles that were produced from January 2024 to January 2025. The Tacoma is one of Toyota's best-selling vehicles and, according to the company, the #1 small pickup truck in America for 20 years straight. Even though Tacoma sales last year fell about 18% compared to 2023, it's still the highest volume seller for Toyota, behind only the Camry, Corolla, and RAV4. So this recall is significant for the automaker, but Toyota is making it right. The company said dealers will replace both rear brake hoses with improved ones at no charge to customers, who can expect to hear from Toyota by April 2025. This is definitely the muddiest recall for Toyota in a while, but the company has experienced some other recent recalls under interesting circumstances. Last summer, the automaker recalled about 33,000 vehicles over a sticker, which seems inconsequential, but the incorrect labeling could lead to drivers overloading their vehicles with cargo and increasing the risk of an accident. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.